Hey, FK Tech. This is a strange phenomenon almost unique to LandCruiser models. You don't see people rushing to buy their old iPhone in the weeks before a new one launches, do you? But remember that in the months leading up to the arrival of the LandCruiser 300 series, used LC200 prices skyrocketed? Driven, I think, by fears that the new one wasn't as powerful and that the new engine wasn't as powerful, people scrambled to get their hands on the latest outgoing model. In fact, the LC200 proved twice as popular in the first 5 months of 2021 as it did in its first full year of sales, way back in 2008. More than 10,000 found new accommodation between January and May, compared to just 5,275 in 2008 when it was a new car. They'll never admit it, but I wonder if those folks feel a bit self-conscious now that we know how much better the LC300 is than the LC200 and how much it improves on the LandCruiser formula on every level. Something similar is happening now with the 10-plus-year-old LandCruiser Prado. There are many rumors about a new model, and yet the waiting list for this model keeps getting longer. May I suggest some restraint here? Because you're currently in line for a vehicle that was launched more than a decade ago, and a new version may be closer than you think. And while there's no doubt there will be the usual chorus saying it won't be as good as the current gen model, I can say with some confidence that it will be. And even better. Indeed, the latest reports from Japan suggest that a new model will be unveiled in the middle of this year, with the MY24 Prado expected to be launched in Australia in late 2023 or early 2024. It will look better, drive better, and be packed with more technology than the current generation car, and like the LC300 it will feature a full range of safety aids and infotainment tech, making the Prado we know resolutely real. Old-fashioned by comparison. And to please purists, reports suggest the new model will use the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, albeit with the addition of mild hybrid technology, to somewhat improve fuel economy and emissions without sacrificing power, torque, and ability to influence. That engine will eventually make way for a more planet-friendly alternative, likely the hybrid max powertrain, which uses a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine and rear axle-mounted electric motor, but the diesel it should stay, at least in the short term. So keep calm and carry on. A new Prado is coming. And I suspect you'll be glad you waited for it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button below.